Hi guys, welcome back to a new video. Yeah, the driveway and the path behind the house is finished, finally. I think I showed you in the last video the total mess in the garden. But the guys are gone now and left us with a beautiful driveway and path. We also got some material. Last week we put the floorboards for the living room in the little shed, and we also bought laminate for the upstairs bedroom and vinyl for the kitchen. Yeah, and now it's time to start working. I'm trying to sand down the door frames. This is the original coloring, if you can call it that, and I'm sanding. It goes off really difficult because it's very sticky, and if you've got the pad from the sanding machine, it sticks to it straight away, so you need to change them every few minutes. And while I'm busy downstairs with the door frames, my dad is gonna continue the stud wall we built, put some cables down, and he's gonna fill up these gaps.
How come the stars come to shine when it's dark from so far away and show us where we are? What makes the sun go to sleep every night, and what's it dreaming of? I wonder. How come the sky sometimes hides behind the clouds? Maybe it's just like me, a little bit scared of heights. Why does the rain always keep on pouring down when it's gray outside? It really makes me wonder. Yeah, it makes me wonder. It really makes me wonder. How come the trees gets undressed when it's cold? And don't they miss the leaves they left behind? Could it be to make the ground shine like gold until winter comes? Until winter comes, until winter comes. It really makes me wonder. Yeah, it makes me wonder. Makes me wonder. Oh, I wonder. Stars come to shine when it's dark from so far away and show us where we are. It really makes me wonder. Yeah, it makes me wonder. Oh, I wonder. Oh, I just wonder.
My dad is putting insulation in the wall. Of course you could put bricks there and just close it off that way, but we have the problem again that we don't want to bring too much weight into the attic. Yeah, so we decided to put insulation in there. Yeah, we nearly have a separate room now. Just have to close off this little corner there, which is a bit tricky because everything is squinty. Even though we basically redone the roof, it's always difficult in old houses because they never had a water level before, I think, and they just built it, so everything's totally squinty. Yeah, and while my dad is taking a little break, my job today is to clean up these stones there. As you can see, the dogs are already exploring. It seems to be very interesting there. I'm going to tidy up the stones so we don't have this mess lying about there. It's a bit of a slave job, but somebody has to do it. And it's also, they've got different sizes, so I need to sort them a little bit. We were actually hoping that the guys who done the path and the driveway could use all of them, but there was quite a lot left, as you can see.
Mann, reicht.
And these are the last little bits to separate the rooms upstairs. My dad loves to work with plasterboards because it's quick and easy, and they are bright, so you get to see a big change in the room straight away. That's it for today. It's a bit of a shorter video because we're running up to Christmas and I'm really busy with getting all the prezzies sorted out. I hope you enjoyed the video. If yes, then leave us a thumbs up, please. If you haven't done that yet and you really enjoy watching us turning this old abandoned house and hopefully a really cozy home, then subscribe to our channel, ring the little bell so you can get notifications about new videos. And yeah, thanks for watching. We wish you all a very Merry Christmas with all your friends and family and just beloved ones. I think we will see each other before the new year, so I spare that for now because I actually thought about giving you a little treat next week and show you how my mum and dad transformed their old farmhouse into something really cozy. Yeah, if you want to see that, just remember next Thursday again. I'm gonna have a little video for you, and yeah, now enjoy Christmas time. Have a good one, eat a lot, be nice to people, and yeah, just enjoy the Christmas spirit. Thanks for watching, bye bye.